Top 10 motorcycles, 200cc to 500cc, March 2021 Classic, Meteor, Pulsar, CB350, Dominar. Published by Rush Lane. Royal Enfield looks to dominate this segment in the future with the introduction of new models such as the upcoming new Gen Classic 350. The 200cc to 500cc segment has seen the advent of many motorcycles in the past few years. However, Royal Enfield continues to have a clear edge above the rest of the brands even today. As many as 5 of the top-selling models in this category last month have been rolled out of the Chennai-based bike makers facility. Royal Enfield Classic, Meteor, Bullet-led segment. The segment is spearheaded by Royal Enfield Classic 350, as usual, with a total of 31,694 units sold in March 2021. In comparison, resold 24,304 units of the retro motorcycle in March last year, which resulted in YoY growth of 30%. This was followed by the company's latest addition to its lineup, Meteor 350. The bike maker dispatched 10,596 units of the cruiser to dealerships across the country last month. The company's longest-running motorcycle in production, Bullet 350, also raked in a decent amount of sales with 9,693 units sold last month. Last year, the figure stood at 2,507 units, therefore, witnessing a massive YoY growth of 287%. Bajaj shines with Pulsar models. On the other hand, Bajaj sold 9,315 units of the Pulsar Duo 180 and NS 200 last month. In comparison, the Pulsar siblings outperformed themselves by 26% YoY since last year when they recorded 7,415 units. Bajaj Auto's flagship model in the Pulsar range, Pulsar 220F, registered a sales volume of 5,172 units in comparison to 4,675 units sold by the company in March last year. Therefore, it recorded a YoY growth of 11%. The 6th place was occupied by Bullet's electric start sibling, formerly known as Bullet Electra. Bullet 350S witnessed sales of 4,914 units in March this year as opposed to 3,160 units sold in March last year. Therefore, it managed to register a YoY growth of 56%. The latest addition to this list is Honda's new CB350, which is retailed in 2 derivatives, NES and RS. Both models cumulatively recorded a sales volume of 4,302, making a solid start to its India journey. Hero MotoCorp, KTM round-off list. Royal Enfield's Adventure Tourer model Himalayan took the 8th spot as it registered a sales volume of 2,898 units last month against 1,307 units sold in March 2020. This translated to a 122% YoY growth. Its immediate next competitor, in terms of pricing, Hero X Pulse 200, registered a sales volume of 2,485 units last month. Hero was able to sell only 20 units of the entry-level ADV in March last year. This results in YoY growth of 12,325%. The list was rounded off by KTM Duke 200 at 10th place with 2,226 units sold in March this year. Last year, the Austrian bike maker was able to sell only 1,549 of the Naked Street Fighter, thus resulting in YoY growth of 44%.